Okay, today we're going to be unboxing the Hub Gateway and just going over the contents and then some common issues that we see customers facing. Again, this is a little bit more in depth of a process, but as you look on the inside of the box, first things you can expect is a Haven Hub guide. I'm not going to detail all of those steps and procedures here. This is a pretty in-depth process, but I will detail just some items about the Hub so that it can help you through the installation and pairing process and connecting it to your computer. So you have your quick start guide. You also have a thank you card from the founders. We'd love it if you leave us a review. It really helps our business out. And again, on the back side of that, if you have any questions or concerns, you can call us on our support number or email us at support@havenlock.com. On the inside of the box, you'll notice you have a hub, pretty standard hub. It connects to your Ethernet and to a power cable that's included in the box into your router directly. It comes with a small antenna that you screw in right here so that the hub has range and connectivity to your devices that are in your house. I usually get about 50 to 100 yards. It really depends, where I'm at. So if I'm driving up to the house, I can get pretty good range on Bluetooth connectivity to the lock. But if I'm away to the house and I have a hub, I can lock and unlock the door from literally any location. It usually locks and unlocks in less than 5 seconds when using the hub. So it's pretty awesome for global unlock. For the power cable and Ethernet cable that is included in the box, you've got, again, an Ethernet cable here, and you've got a power cable that is a barrel adapter style cable that plugs right into the back of the lock right here. Just a couple quick caution notes: when you're installing the Ethernet cable or the power plug, don't push it in too hard. We've had some customers who have been slightly aggressive with installing the barrel adapter and the Ethernet cable, and it pushes that power slot and the Ethernet cable in. Again, this is a pretty handy device. If you have any questions, again, you can go to support@havenlock.com, or you can call us. And again, this handy guide that's on the inside of the box helps you set up the Ethernet device step by step. Our hub, pretty reliable. We sell it on our website on Amazon. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thanks again for trusting us with your safety and security. Have a great day.